Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the iPhone's Apple logo secret button that you didn't know about on your iPhone device. So at the back here there is a button and it can do lots of things. You can load heaps of functions onto it. So I'm going to show you how you can use it, but first you need to activate the button before you can actually use it. So from your home screen you want to tap on settings. In the settings screen, go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on touch, and then go all the way down to the bottom, then tap on back tap. Now at the moment, I have already set back tap for double tap and triple tap. By default, these functions are set to none, so they are none by default. So if you try to double tap or triple tap on the Apple logo, nothing will happen. So let's see how you can activate the double tap button. So if I tap on that, you can see down the list here, I can choose none, accessibility shortcut, app switcher, control center, home, lock screen, mute, and so much more. So you can go down the list here. You can see you can assign many functions to it. You can also assign a shortcut that you have created to it as well. So here say IT Jungles. I can assign that shortcut. So if I double tap, it will open up the IT Jungles website. Or I can say turn on assistive touch or bring up the shortcut. I can go back to home screen or lock the screen. So if I want to lock the screen, I can double tap. If I want to open the app switcher, I can choose the app switcher. So let's test it out. So if I double tap like this on the Apple logo, you can see it bring up the app switcher where you can switch app. Okay, so what about triple tap? So if you go to the back tap and tap on triple tap, and then you go down here, you can say take screenshot, for example. So if I triple tap on the back here, 1, 2, 3, you can see it will take a screenshot. So it works really well. And if I double tap, it will open up the app switcher. So that's how you can activate the secret button at the back of your phone. So let's say double tap, I will go back home. So if I double tap on it, it will take me back to the home screen. So that is a new feature on your iPhone. You need to update your iOS to iOS 14 for this feature to work. So go ahead and try it out, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.